to fix the brush that won't spin. So it's simple. First, you must unscrew the screw. There's 4 screws of this one. This is a Hoover Vaccum Elite Rewind Plus. And then ito unscrew. After I unscrew these 4 screws, I need to remove this part to check inside. Oh, see, the problem is the belt's broken, so I had to replace this. And then I can't find the parts for the Hoover belt. I went to Walmart and I only found a different brand, a Bissell. This one is like 2 belts inside. It's like $5 in Walmart. It's like this is the part number. I had to use this one to replace. It took the broken belt, and then inside there's like a metal rod in this one to put the belt. It's hard for me to put it while I'm filming to hold it. Okay, I put inside, and then this one I had to put this inside the brush roller. And then hook it in the square side, this side. Yeah, that one. To hold it, it's hard for me. Okay, I put inside now. See, and then also this side, this square to latch. This one, yeah, put this inside of her. Okay. And then see, I put all together, and this is the brand new belt, replacement belt, brand new from Walmart. It's only cheap. It's $5. I had to put it back, this part. There's a hook like this one and 2 hooks to put all together, and there's what's the name of this one? Notch. This one, oh, I can't see. Okay, this one's like a notch, 2 like this one, and I have to put all together the hook. Okay, I only put the screws back, the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I need to screw this one. Tight it. Okay, all is inside now. I have to turn on the vacuum. And voila, it's working now. I need to tight this screws, it's making noise. Okay, thanks for watching. Just subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, and like. Thank you.